In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in Google Workspace. If you've ever felt that your profile could use a little update, you're in the right place. We're going to walk through each step so that you can easily refresh your profile image in just a few minutes. To get started, you'll first need to go to Google Workspace. This is the central hub for managing all your Google business applications. Once you're there, look for the admin console. It's where you'll have control over your organization's Google account settings. If you're not already logged in, you'll likely be prompted to do so. Make sure to log in using your business email. It's important as this grants you the necessary permissions to make changes. Once logged in, direct your attention to the top right of your screen. You'll see the Google Apps menu, often represented by a grid icon made up of small squares. Click on that to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, look for the admin icon and click on it. This will bring you into the more detailed settings of your Google Workspace account. Now that you're in the admin area, the next step is to navigate to the directory. The directory is where you'll find all the user accounts associated with your organization. You can access the directory typically through the panel on the left side of the admin console. Once in the directory, you'll want to click on Users. This section lists all users under your organization. Find the specific user account you'd like to update. Often, this is your own, but if you're an admin, it might be for someone else. With the user account open, you'll see various options and settings related to that account. The key focus here is the profile section. You'll notice a spot where it shows the current profile photo. Click on the profile photo icon. This is usually a circle or a photo thumbnail prominently displayed. Clicking here gives you the option to upload a new photo. Select an image that you want as your new profile picture. It's a good idea to choose a clear, professional looking image, especially if this account is used in a business or professional context. Once selected, the system typically allows you to adjust or crop the image to fit the profile format. Make the necessary adjustments and then save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully updated the profile picture in Google Workspace. Remember, this change might take a little bit of time to sync across all Google services, so don't worry if it doesn't update immediately everywhere. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to revisit anytime you need a refresher. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly updated Google Workspace profile.